Assalamu alaikum my dear friends, welcome back again my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you people are pretty fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life, always be keep smile. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today you will see in this video very beautiful and stylish. You will see in this videos modern, unique girls pop with bangs, haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas in 2023. Lovely viewers, today you will see in this videos modern, unique girls pop with bangs, haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas in 2023. So lovely viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collections of my channel. Today you will see in this videos the already stylish unique girls bob with bangs, haircuts ideas. So lovely viewers, today you will see the already stylish 40 plus modern girls bob with bangs, haircuts ideas. So guys, I might suggest it, just keep on watching this videos till the end. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this videos. Marvelous and stylish, you will see the all stylish girls bob haircuts ideas. So if you are a college girls or a business girls, this setup is look very creative and very beautiful for you guys. Dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, do you have new ideas of the already stylish different haircuts ideas? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how was my videos. I always try to bring very outstanding, unique bob haircuts, front, back and sided pose bob haircuts, long layers and short layers, unique different haircut designs. These are all my favorite collections. So lovely viewers, I hope you like my videos, friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. So guys, I might suggest it, just keep on watching these videos till the end. These are all my favorite collections. So lovely viewers, I always try to bring unique girls pop haircuts designs. So lovely viewers, I will meet you in next video. So take care, friends.